Hello friends, today I will discuss the GATE for civil engineering. In this video, I cover purpose, CBT, notification of application, benefits, type of questions, pattern, subject-wise, weightage, eligibility to write the examinations, and the number of candidates registered, number of candidates appeared, and the qualifying mark for various categories, and first rank, maximum marks, and score, and after that, how to prepare for this GATE examination next. So, the basic idea behind this GATE is that this test will test the candidate's application, analysis, comprehension, recall, and synthesis capacity. And this is conducted on with CBT, that is computer based test. Based on the number of candidates registered, the set 1, set 2, set 3 papers will be given to write the examination, and the benefits of the GATE is like this. The GATE score is considered for the higher studies in foreign universities like in Nanyang Technological University, National University of Singapore, and in many other universities. So where scholarship possibility is more for such candidates, and similarly the score is considered for jobs in MNCs, PSUs, for admissions in PhD and M.tech. And coming to the general idea about the notification, the GATE notification comes normally in the last week of August every month and every year, and last date for receiving the application will be normally second week of October, and there will be a period of correction of data in the application, that is third to fourth week of October, and date of examination will be first week to second week of February, the very next year of the application receiving. Next, coming to the fees details for general and OBC, the GATE application fee is 1800 rupees, whereas for SC, ST, PH and female it is 900 rupees, and the number of attempts allowed are unlimited for all categories, and the eligibility to write the examination is any engineering degree or studying third year B.tech, and this examination will be conducted every year once, and there is a negative marking for the multiple choice questions and the numerical answer type questions, and the negative marking is 1/3 of the allotted marks to the question, and the validity of this GATE score is 3 years, and if the candidate joins in PhD, he is eligible for 12,400 rupees stipend per month, and similarly for PhD admitted candidates, the stipend for the first 2 years is 37,000 per month, and for the next 3 years it is 42,000 per month, and in addition to this there is annual research grant of 1.7 lakhs, and if the candidate have the rank below 200 and the GATE score is more than 750, in that case they are likely to get the jobs in PSUs, that is Maharatna companies like Indian Oil Corporation Limited, that is IOCL, similarly NTPC, and Coal India Limited, similarly SAIL, and next ONGC and GAIL. In all these companies, the minimum salary for the candidate is 60,000 rupees per month. And coming to the type of questions that appear in the examination is 1 mark questions will be 30, whereas 2 mark questions are 35. And in these questions also there is a classification, that is 3 types: multiple choice questions, that is called MCQs. There is only one answer is present, only one is correct, and MSQs means multiple selective questions. So in this, candidate must select all right answers, otherwise the marks allotted will be 0 and there is no negative marking for these questions. Coming to the NATS, numerical answer type questions, it is like fill up the blanks, and MCQs and NATS have the negative marking, that is 1/3 of the allotted marks to the questions. And the duration of the M.tech course is 2 years, and candidate is eligible to get the stipend for the 2 years. And next, coming to the general classification of the subjects and the marks allotted in the GATE are like this. There are 3 categories. One is general studies, the other is engineering mathematics, the other is core engineering. If it is electrical engineering, it is electrical. If it is a mechanical engineering, mechanical engineering. For civil, it is civil engineering. So the number of questions that will be given for general studies will be 10 and the number of marks allotted will be 15. And whereas engineering mathematics plus core engineering put together 55 questions will come, and in that 1 mark questions will be there, 2 mark questions also will be there, and the total marks for that will be 13 plus 72. For engineering mathematics 13, whereas for engineering it is 72, and if we add all these marks then we get 100, and the examination will be conducted every year, and the negative marking will be 1/3 of the allotted marks to the question, and the duration of the examination is 3 hours. Now the question distribution for the last 3 years for various subjects are like this. For engineering mathematics in 2022, 5 marks were given for as 1 mark questions, and 2 mark questions are 5, total marks are 15, and in 2023 1 mark questions 5, 2 mark questions 5, total marks are 15, whereas in 2024 1 mark questions 5, 2 mark questions 5, and total marks are, and the total marks for this 2024 were 15. And in engineering mechanics in 22 1 mark questions are 1 and 2 mark questions are 5, total marks are 11. In 2023 1 mark questions are 5, 2 mark questions are 3, total marks are 11. And in 2024 1 mark questions 5, 2 mark questions 4, total marks are 13. And solid mechanics 1 mark in 2022 1 mark question is 1, 2 mark question is 1, and total marks are 3. And in 2023 1 mark question is 1, 2 mark questions 0, and total marks is 1. And in 2024 1 mark questions are 2, 2 mark questions are 1, totally 4 marks. And similarly structural analysis in 2022 1 mark questions are 0, 2 mark questions are 3, and the total marks were 6. And in 2023 1 mark questions is 1, 2 mark questions are 3, total marks are 7. And in 2024 1 mark question is 2 and 2 mark question is 1, and total marks are 4. And similarly constructional material and management in 2022 the number of 1 mark questions are 2, 2 mark questions are 1, and total marks were 4. And in 2023 1 mark question is 1 and 2 mark question is 0, and total marks are 1. And in 2024 1 mark question is 1, 2 mark question is 1, total marks are 3. And in concrete structure subject, in 2022 the number of 1 mark questions are 2, 2 mark questions are 3, total marks are 8. And in 2023 1 mark questions are 2, 2 mark questions are 1, and total marks are 4. And 2024 1 mark questions are 2 and 2 mark questions are 1, total marks are 4. Next, steel structure in 2022 1 mark questions are 0, 2 mark questions is 1, total marks are 2. And in 2023 1 mark questions are 1, 2 mark questions are 0, total marks are 1. And in 2024 1 mark question is 1, 2 mark questions are 0, total marks are 1. And soil mechanics and foundation engineering in 2022 1 mark questions are 5, 2 mark questions are 3, and total marks are 11. And in 2023 1 mark questions are 4, 2 mark questions are 6, and total marks are 16. And in 2024 1 mark questions are 3, 2 mark questions are 6, total marks are 15. And next subject is fluid mechanics and hydraulics. In 2022 1 mark questions are 2, 2 mark questions are 3, and total marks are 8. And in 2023 1 mark questions are 1, and 2 mark questions are 3. Total marks are 7. In 2024, 1 mark question is 2 and 2 mark questions are 3. Total marks are 8. And in my hydrology and irrigation subject in 2022, 1 mark question is 1, 2 mark questions are 2 and total marks are 5. In 2023, 1 mark questions are 1, 2 mark questions are 4, total marks are 9. And in 2024, 1 mark question is 1, 2 mark questions are 2, total marks are 5. And next, environmental engineering. In 2022, 1 mark questions are 5, 2 mark questions are 3, total marks were 11. And in 2023, 1 mark questions are 4, 2 mark questions are 4, total marks are 12. And in 2024, 1 mark questions are 4, 2 mark questions are 3, total marks are 10. And next, transportation engineering. In 2022, 1 mark questions are 2, 2 mark questions are 3, total marks are 8. And in 2023, 1 mark questions are 2, 2 mark questions are 2, and total marks are 6. And in 2024, 1 mark questions are 2, 2 mark questions are 3, total marks are 8. And similarly, in the surveying, in 2022, 1 mark questions are 2, 2 mark questions are 2, total marks are 6. And in 2023, 1 mark question is 2, 2 mark questions are 2, total marks are 6. In 2024, 1 mark questions are 2, 2 mark questions are 6. 2 mark questions are 3, total marks are 8. And general aptitude subject in 2022, 1 mark questions are 5, 2 mark questions are 5, and total marks are 15. And similarly, in 2023, 1 mark questions 5, 2 mark questions 5, and total marks were 15. In 2024, 1 mark question is 5, and 2 mark questions are 5, and total marks are 15. So if you look at this, so every year 1 mark questions are 30, and 2 mark questions are 35, and the total marks are 100 every year. And coming to the statistics of candidates registered, appeared, qualified, cutoff marks for various categories is like this. In 2024, the number of candidates registered are 1,08,136, and the candidates appeared for the examination is 85,869, and whereas the qualified candidates are only 16,604, and general category the cutoff mark is 28.3, whereas for OBC it is 25.4, whereas for SC, ST and PH the qualifying mark is 18.8. In 2023, the number of candidates registered are 1,05,064, and the number of candidates appeared are 83,187, and the number of candidates are 15,785, and the cutoff mark for general category is 26.6, and for OBC it is 26.6, and for SC, ST, PH it is 17.7. And in 2022, the number of candidates registered were 1,36,285, and the number of candidates appeared for the examination is 1,43, and the number of candidates qualified are 17,776, and the qualifying mark for the general category, that is cutoff mark, is 30.4, whereas for OBC it is 27.3, whereas for SC, ST, PH it is 20.2. And next, coming to the national level examination ranks, in 2024, first rank maximum marks are 87.33 and his score is 989. In 2023, the first rank number of marks scored maximum is 83.11 and the score is 1000, whereas in 2022 national first rank maximum marks were 97.36 and the score is 1000. So having known all this data, so how to prepare for this examination? There are three stages. Number one is identifying the material to be used. That is first textbooks, reinforced cement, concrete and pre-stressed concrete. One is RCC designed by BC Punamiya Krishnarajan, The other is reinforced concrete design by Pillai and Menon, and the other is pre-stressed concrete by Krishna Raju, and RCC design by AK Jain and Sinha, and another subject is construction technology planning and management, that is CTPM. One is construction project management KN Jha. The other is construction engineering and management by Dr. S. Sita Raman. Next, construction planning management BC Punamiya, and structural analysis ninth edition, it is R.C. Hibler, and theory of structures or analysis of structures by Ramamrutam, and next theory of structures and analysis of structure L.S. Negi and Jengid, and next theory of structures or analysis of structure is Gupta and Pandit C.S. Reddy. Next, analysis of structures volume 1 and 2 by Vajrani and Ratwani. Next subject is geotechnical and foundation engineering, that is basic and applied soil mechanics by Gopal Ranjan and Rao, and soil mechanics and foundation engineering by S.K. Garg. Next, soil mechanics and foundation engineering by B.C. Punamiya. Next, soil mechanics and foundation engineering by Dr. K.R. Arora. Next, irrigation engineering by irrigation water resources and water power engineering by P.N. Modi. Next, irrigation engineering and hydraulic structures by Garg. Similarly, highway engineering by Khanna and Justo, and highway engineering by L.R. Kadiali. And next, highway engineering by S.K. Sharma. Next, surveying volume 1 and 2 by B.C. Punmiya. Similarly, surveying volume 1 and 2 by S.K. Duggal. Similarly, environmental engineering 1 and 2 by S.K. Garg, and next environmental engineering volume 1 and 2 by Punamiya, and next environmental engineering by P.V. and Rove. Next, fluid mechanics and hydraulic machines 9th edition by Bansal. Similarly, hydraulics and fluid mechanics including hydraulic machines by Modi, and next flow in open channel by K. Subramaniam, and next fluid mechanics and fluid machines by Subramaniam. Next, engineering hydrology by S.K. Subramania, and next strength of materials, that is mechanics of structures volume 1 by Dr. Shaw and Junarkar, and next strength of materials by B.C. Ponamia, and strength of materials by U.C. Jindal, and next similarly railway engineering S.C. Saxena and S.P. Arora. Next, airport engineering, airport planning and design by S.K. Khanna and M.G. Arora. Design of steel structure, a limit state design of steel structures, S.K. Duggal. Next, steel design by L.S. Negi. Design of steel structures by N. Subramaniam. And next, building materials by S.K. Duggal, and next concrete technology by M.S. Setti. Similarly, mechanics by R.K. Bansal. So, in addition to this, formula book on civil engineering by Medici Publishing. Similarly, engineering mathematics summary book by Medici. Similarly, for general aptitude NPTEL lectures and general aptitude book by Agarwal, and for English follow the YouTube channel, that is Vasista 360. This is about identifying the resources for the examination. Next is stage 2, concepts. So use the above materials, that is textbooks, NPTEL lectures and other videos, and using that make the detailed notes, and from that make the short notes. Then practice previous GATE, IAS, IES, RRB, JEE questions, etc. And in stage 3, plan. So daily spend 2 hours for 3 months to complete one subject, make detailed notes, and from this again make the summary notes, and on every holiday in a week do revision for a half day using summary notes. And similarly, buy and practice previous gate question papers with solution books, that is for the at least for past 19 years, published by Ace Academy, made easy, GK publishers, startup publishers, etc. In these books, we can see the chapter wise questions distribution for the last 19 years. So let me summarize about this video. In this video, we discussed the purpose, CBT, notification, benefits, type of questions, and the weightage for each subject, eligibility of candidates, and number of candidates appeared, number of candidates registered, the number of qualified students, and the qualifying mark for various categories, national level first rank, and score, and the corresponding marks in the examination. And it's finally we have seen what is the way to prepare for this examination, and we have seen that this examination is to test the candidate's application capacity, analysis capacity, comprehension, recall, and synthesis, and all these capacities were tested using the computer based test that is called CBT.